Hey you guys, it's Ryan with Mastery of Rhythm again. How are you? Alright, hopefully you have your guitars out, they are in tune, but if they are not, we can figure out a few ways to make sure it is in tune. So I'm going to teach you actually two methods on how to check that your guitar is in tune. You can tune to me. This is an E for your top string here. From there, to check your next string, go to the 5th fret or the 5th space here. And from here, check for your the 2nd string. From top strings, E. Now this is an A. Yeah. So that's how you can check. And if they're in tune, they sound the same. Awesome. Because that is one of the ways from here. And then next thing you can do is from that string, once that's in tune, you can check the next string by doing the same method. Check the next string, the D string, the 3rd string there. Sounds pretty close to me. Yeah. Now from here, if you want to check the next string, same method. Up here. That one's a little off. So well, you get close. Okay. Now this is the one exception to the rule. Now on your 4th string here from the top, so 1, 2, 3, 4, your 4th string, you want to go to the 4th fret. So that's the one thing here. Everything else, you got 5th, but on the 4th string, to check your next string, you go to the 4th fret. There you go. Sounds pretty close. Pretty good. Then to check for your last string, you go back to the 5th fret. Ooh. There you go. There you go. Awesome. And once you have that, you're all set. So to review, for top string, 5th fret. Make sure they're together. 5th fret for the next string. On the 3rd string, check a 5th fret. On your 4th string, you go to the 4th fret. And then you go back to the 5th. That's pretty good. Now, so that is method 1. Method 2, you go up to the 10th fret here, and so you can test, make sure that's in tune. But now, since it's the 10th on the E string, you're actually playing a D note. So you check the 3rd string. There we go. And then on the next string, you do 10th again. Now it changes. Now on the 3rd string, you go to the 9th fret. Then on the 4th string, you go to the 9th fret. There you go. So, yep. Sounds pretty good. So 10, 10, and then you go to 9, 9, 9. Yeah. So there you go. You have two methods to make sure your guitar is in tune. And yeah, try it out. Play along, and once you're in tune, you can learn your song. Awesome, guys. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. All right, peace out.